Hi and welcome back to Crash Course. I'm Kristen and today I'm going to show you how to show instead of tell. So what does it mean to show instead of tell? When you tell your reader something, you're informing them, but when you show them something, you're painting a mental picture for them. So some helpful tips are to create a setting, describe actions, and use details, but don't be too wordy. So first we'll create a setting. Our tell example is, "It was summer and I felt hot." But how can we show this to someone? Here's a sentence that I came up with instead. I squinted as the sun shone brightly and salty beads of sweat trickled down my face. So what I'm trying to show is that it's summer, so I included how the sun shines bright and the action of squinting as it's kind of like blinding. And then I included that salty beads of sweat trickled down my face to indicate that feeling of the heat kind of just embracing me. And something to help you through this is to consider these questions. What time of day is it? Is the setting inside or outside? What is the weather like? What is the atmosphere like? Can you hear something, smell it, taste it, or feel it? And let's move forward to describing actions. So our tell example is, unsure of what lies ahead, I hesitantly opened the door. Your action is opening the door. So in order to show this, what can we say to our audience? How about, I could hear, wow, typo again. I could hear the rampant beat of my heart as I slowly opened the door. Period. So, I could hear the rampant beat of my heart as I slowly opened the door. This shows that you're still hesitant, but it doesn't quite explain that you're unsure of what lies ahead. So what else can we add? Chills crept down my spine while I imagined what awaited behind it. Alright, and lastly, use details, but don't be wordy. So, the importance of details is that it describes it to your audience, but something that could happen is wordiness, so kind of over-explaining things, and this is something that I tend to have trouble with at times, so it's always good to practice. And here is an example. Thinking about my late father takes me to an idyllic place where I am young again. I can picture the way his glasses get crooked, see his wrinkles get more defined with each smile, and I can almost hear his hearty laugh that came along with it. So it's really descriptive about the father's face and what happens when he laughs and smiles. It's not so descriptive of that idyllic place. It could be a good idea to talk about it if that's what you really want to share with your audience. But how can we rephrase this? I'm going to leave this open to you, and comment down below what you come up with. Are there other ways that you like to show instead of tell? Let us know, and have a nice day.